Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Priyanka Shekhawat. I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is about this Imli Pop by Go Desi. Many of you have seen this on Instagram page. I have also seen there and I can't wait to order it. So the ingredients mostly you will get in this, it's of Imli flavor. So you will get chili, cumin, tamarind and jaggery. Okay, so I have removed the price tag from this. You can see the packaging. It's handmade in rural kitchens. This is the packaging. Here the price tag was been stuck. I have removed it because I have to give this gift to my brother on Raksha Bandhan. So the shelf life is of 9 months and the ingredients here are carbohydrates, sugar, protein, fat, all are there. So mostly the main ingredients are already I have shown you: jaggery, tamarind, salt, chili powder, cumin seeds and curry leaves. So you can open this box from here also, like the tier page of that has been given on the box, but I'm not going to open it from here. I have opened this box from here already. So let's open it out and show it to you guys. So this is the inner packaging I have got. Actually I have mixed both of them in this. This is Kacha Aam with spicy memories and this one is of tamarind candy with spicy memories. Both boxes are different. Imli Pop comes in this kind of orange box and this Desi Pops is of the box of Desi Pops is of green in color that I have thrown already. I'm unable to find it. I mixed both the candies in the same box. So guys, I'm going to open this for you. It came in the packaging of this pink ribbon types. It's of plastic and after this we are getting this plastic wrapping like in rectangular in shape. So I have to open it from this side. So here is the candy. It really tastes like flavor. This much of quantity we get in ₹5. This one stick stands of ₹5 each. So it tastes really delicious. Okay, so now I'm going to open this Imli candy for you guys. So after opening this, the packaging is same for the both of the flavors. One more flavor come. The packaging of Imli one is this one. Actually there are many small extracts of tamarind in this. You can see it over here. Can you see this? It tastes really awesome guys, awesome. So here are both of the candies. This one is of tamarind and this one is of Kacha Aam. Guys, if you want something spicy, you want to taste like some bitter and salty both, then you can go for this. If you want something sweet and salty, then you can go for this Kacha Aam. Let me tell about the prices. The box of this Imli one I have got it for ₹250, in which 50 pieces are there in a box, and in case of this Kacha Aam flavor the box is of 220 or 230 rupees. In this we got only 40 pieces. So this is the little bit of difference from these both. You can get it on Amazon. So I have ordered this from Amazon. I have literally seen, I'm scrolling for something like this only. So I have seen the picture of these both candies. Firstly I have seen it on Instagram, but to check the reviews I went on Amazon.com and there I can literally see the box and with nice reviews, and I can also say that these taste is really very good. If you want to give gift to your younger brother, or if you want to order it for yourself too, it's really very yummy and tasty. So the next item I've got from Amazon is the lemon chaat. So if you have gone on Amazon, if you go on the search bar and search for lemon chaat, you will get this packet. It's of ₹20 and I have received 8 packages of this small tiny. So lemon chaat, I have not tasted it yet, so I'm going to try this right now. Sorry, pickle in your pocket. So you while traveling you can get this with you if you are feeling vomiting or like you have gone on mountains or some mountain areas, so you can keep this with you. It really helps to change the taste and change the mind as well. The price of these all 8 packets are of 160 rupees plus 50 charges separately I have to give. I don't know why. So let's open this package. Guys, you can see this, it really smells like a nice pickle of lemon, and lemon seeds are also visible in this. So after tasting it, it really feels like a pickle in your pocket, and it does not contain very much space also, and in one package only we can get half of that. I have taken it out, and the same amount is there on the packet still, which I have opened it right now. Somebody is feeling vomiting in the car or in AC, so I definitely suggest to buy this package, and I think 8 packets are enough for traveling. You can keep it in your car, you can keep it in your bag or purse, whichever you are having, and kids might like this very much. It's very salty. So yes, the ladies who are pregnant can get mangoes, are not available in the market. You can definitely choose this one. It actually works like a pickle, and it is not in the liquid form, it is in the solid form, so definitely you can go with this. So guys, I have tasted this right now. It's really very salty and feeling like I'm eating a raw lemon mixed with the salt. So I like my purchase very much. You can order the Imli Pop of tamarind flavor or kacham flavor, or you can also, I haven't seen any reviews on YouTube for this lemon chaat especially, so I decided to give a review about this small package. So let's end the video and meet you in the next video or unboxing or of review video. So bye bye, take care, thank you, thanks for watching.